Rivas, and today we're going to make a tiki cocktail called the Krakatoa Punch. The Krakatoa Punch is a drink from Trader Sam's, which is a tiki bar at the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim. There's also one at the Disneyland Resort in Orlando. And I got one of these got a couple of them, these fancy fun tiki glasses, souvenir cups when we went there. So I'm gonna make my drink, pour it into that. If you don't have one of these fancy cups, you can just put it into a tumbler, which I believe we have a glass tumbler right here. So to make the drink, we're gonna start with, you gotta have shakers. We're gonna shake this up, and we're gonna start with some spiced rum. You need, for a single serving, you're gonna use 1 ounce of rum, but I'm gonna double this recipe today because I'm making one for my husband and I. So if you want this recipe just for yourself, cut all the ingredients in half. So today for 2 drinks, we're gonna start out with 2 ounces of spiced rum. You can use Captain Morgan or any brand of your taste of, spiced rum. So we'll pour that up right here. 2 ounces. And we're also gonna be using 2 ounces of dark black rum. If black rum isn't your taste, it's kind of got a little bit of a molasses flavor, you can always use a white rum, but I kind of like that more deep taste with the black rum. So I'm going to go with that today. I'm going to use 2 ounces of that. Right into the shaker. Next, we're going to go with Gorilla Grog. If you don't know what Gorilla Grog is, it's actually simply just pineapple juice, orange juice, and guava. You can pretty much get this at any major grocery store that carries the Langer's brand. They seem like the only one that carries those 3 blends of juices together in one. If for some reason you can't find it, the guava is kind of unusual. You're probably okay with going just pineapple and orange, but the guava really adds to it. So we're gonna put 6 ounces of that into our shaker. And then we're gonna go here with 1 ounce of almond syrup. And you can also find this at most stores, the Tirani brand of syrups. And most, Beverages and More, those type of stores, they do sell that as well in different brands. So we're gonna use 1 ounce of that. Straight in. And then lastly, we're gonna use half an ounce of grenadine here, which is a cherry syrup. Doesn't have to be Rose's brand, pretty much any brand of cherry syrup. And that's gonna give it kind of this fun red color. So we're gonna pour half an ounce of that right into the mixer. There we go. And shake it up. There we go, isn't that a fun color? And straight in to the tumbler. And if you just happen to have these glow cubes laying around, I know you can find these in most party stores. When I order these at Trader Sam's, they come with them, so I've saved them, but I have seen them at party stores. Kind of makes it feel like you're drinking lava. It's kind of the idea here. And we add our orange slice each side. And of course, our fun little umbrellas. Let's pierce a maraschino cherry through there. Stick it in the orange. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. And look at that. Let's get that on this side. Here we go. My reusable straws here. And cheers, everyone. Oh, it is so good. You really feel like you have gone away on a tropical vacation to some island somewhere. So cheers, everyone. Enjoy. I got your tiki cocktail, sir.
Nice. Perfect.
Yeah. Got mine going right here. Cheers.
Oh, wow, that's delicious.
Happy quarantine.
Salud. Happy quarantine to that.